Hi there, I just want to give you an overview of this 10-piece teak wooden utensil set that I just received from the seller. It is gorgeous. Honestly, it just drew my attention as soon as I opened it up. This is how it is packaged when you receive it. I mean, is this gorgeous, like for a gift or a wedding gift? I just think that is just gorgeous. So all of these are wrapped individually, and you get 10 utensils. They are just so nice. You can see the wood grain all through here. I love just how unique they look. Now these are heat resistant and they clean very easily. Let me go ahead and take this out of the package so you can just see all of them together. These are just so beautifully wrapped. I mean, you can just see all the grain. What makes it so different is the wood grain. They're different on every single one of them. I'll lay these down as well. But what a great gift if you're going to give these for a gift or just to keep them. I honestly love to display my utensils when they're really nice like this, and I think they make a great addition to any kitchen. So I hope that you found this review helpful. Thank you for listening.